Beginner greetings and expressions. Level 1. Listen and repeat. Word list. Hello. 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 Hey. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yes. 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 No. 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 Please. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Dialogue A. Listen to the following dialogue, then practice it on your own. Io. Good morning. Luna. Good morning. Io. How are you? Luna. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Io. Yes, I'm good too. Thanks. Luna. That's nice. Goodbye. Io. Goodbye. Have a great day. Luna. Thank you. You too. Now try this dialogue on your own. Dialogue B. We've made a slight alteration to this dialogue. Please try it with the updated expressions. Reading. Pay close attention to the following passage as there will be comprehension questions for you to answer. A friendly morning. Sarah wakes up early. She says, "Good morning," to her mom. Her mom smiles and says, "Good morning, Sarah." Sarah's mom makes breakfast. Sarah says, "Please, can I have some cereal?" Her mom says, "Yes." After breakfast, Sarah goes to school. She sees her friend, Tim, and says, "Hi, Tim." Tim says, "Hello, Sarah." They walk to school together. At school, the teacher asks a question. Sarah knows the answer. So she says, "Yes, it's 5." The teacher says, "That's correct, Sarah. Thank you." At the end of the day, Sarah goes home. She says, "Goodbye, Tim." Tim says, "Goodbye, Sarah." Then Sarah says, "Goodbye, teacher." Her teacher smiles and says, "Goodbye, Sarah. Have a nice day." Test. What does Sarah say to her mom in the morning? What does Sarah ask her mom for at breakfast? Who does Sarah say hi to on the way to school? What does Sarah say when she knows the answer in class? How does Sarah and her teacher say goodbye at the end of the day? Writing. Choose the appropriate word from the list below to fill in each blank to complete the sentences. Answers. Here's a suggested follow-up activity. Write a thank you note using at least 2 words from our word list in this video. We've given you an example to help you begin. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe.